Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in the series of Java programs where we are discussing the logical problems. In our previous two videos, we have started discussing the logical problems. The first one was about finding out the even or odd numbers. The second one was finding out Buzz number. In this video, in today's video, we are going to find out the greater number among the three numbers. So without much delay, let's get started. So let me first make a class. Greatest dot Java. Let me just quickly write down the repetitive parts. So psvm enter. Since we will input values from the console, so for that we will have to import the scanner class. Now we will make an object of the scanner class. Scanner st is the name of the object of the scanner class. Now we have to take three values from the console, and for that let us print three messages. Enter the first, enter three numbers. Okay, let me just declare three variables: int num1, num2, num3, and we will store those values in num1, num2, num3 respectively. So num1 equals st dot next int semicolon. Let me simply copy this thing down. Copy, enter, paste, enter, paste. Edit this one, 2, 3. Okay, simple. So we have printed the message on the console, enter three numbers, and then we have accepted three values back to back. Okay, now it's time for the main logic of the program. So I will write down the syntax and very carefully just follow along what I'm trying to make you understand. So we'll write if num1 is greater than num2. Okay, so if this one is true, also and num1 is greater than num3. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, that the first number, okay, is greater than both the other numbers. Okay, both the two numbers, so num1 and num2, which means that automatically, if this condition is true, automatically the first number will become the greatest of the three numbers. Okay, the first number with the greatest. Okay, so this will be the message if this condition is matched. Okay, if not, then we will add another condition. Num2 is greater than num3, then the second number is the greatest. else the third number, which is n3, is the greatest. Okay, so this is the syntax. Now this syntax could be a little difficult to understand for beginners. Okay, so there are multiple if statements and there are multiple conditions. Okay, so let me just read out the syntax once again. So we are first entering the three values. We are first displaying a message, enter the three numbers, and then we are accepting those three numbers from the console, num1, num2 and num3. After that, we are trying to do some comparisons. Okay, so first what we are trying to do is we are saying that if the num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3, so this and sign is used if you want these two conditions to be true at the same time, then we use this and operator. Okay, so and twice. If this thing is correct, okay, the first number is greater than the second number and the first number is greater than the third number, this means the first number is the greatest number, so we are printing this message. If this one is not true, okay, if this one is not true, or you can say if only one condition is true, not both the conditions are not true, then we will come down to this statement, else if num2 is greater than num3, then the num2 will be the greatest number, or finally in that case num3 will be the greatest number. Okay, so we'll just run this program and see if this logic is working properly or. So enter the three numbers. So let us take first number as 5, enter. We'll take 3 as the second number, enter, and 8 third number. Okay, so you can see the first number is greater than the second number, but it's not greater than the third number. So the C is supposed to be the largest number. So let's click enter, and you will see the third number 8 is the greatest. Okay, so I just messed up with the spelling. You got the logic. Okay, let us now take one more example. So let's delete this, run the program again, and this time we will keep the second number to be the largest. Okay, so let's take 15 for the first number, 25 second number, and 18 the third number. Okay, this means the second number, which is 25, is supposed to be the largest. Enter, and you will see the second number 25 is the greatest. Okay, so you can see the logic is working very fine. Let us take one more example, and this time first number will be the greatest. Okay, so 85, enter, 58, enter, 78, and you will see for the first number 85 is the greatest. So this code is working very fine, and it is very simple. Only if you will closely follow this condition, then it will be very easy for you to understand the logic, and the program is very simple. It could be daunting at first to understand the logic, but once you settle down, then it will be very easy to follow along. Okay, so this was all for this video, a very short video on how to find the greatest of three numbers using the if conditions. I hope you understood the program. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Burning